Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know I have been gone for like a really long time, and I owe an explanation to you guys, and I'm really sorry. I just have been unmotivated to film or to do any makeup looks, and I don't know, maybe it's just because my channel is just stuck and I can't grow as I want, but anyways, yeah, I kind of was talking to my husband. I was telling him maybe I should just quit. I mean, I enjoy doing YouTube videos and I enjoy doing makeup looks, but I just really have lost the drive, the motivation to keep creating videos for you guys. And he just told me not to give up. I mean, everybody hits stumps, and we all eventually get over it. So he basically was encouraging me to keep going and to keep making videos. If this is something that I like to do, then to keep doing it. It's my hobby. And so yeah, he's a really great guy. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna continue to do videos, maybe not as often. I mean, I would post 2 times a week, but I am not gonna be posting just makeup looks, maybe like playlist and outfits of the day, outfits of the week kind of thing, just to build up my channel a little bit more, or also like $1 review kind of things, I don't know, I just have been very discouraged on what I want to do on my channel and what I want to keep doing, but today's video is going to be on this lilac flower inspired makeup tutorial, so I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And I am actually going to be using La Dulce Vida from Midas Cosmetics, and I am affiliated with them, so you guys can use Tanya to get 20% off, and they are always having discounts, guys, and this brand is actually really affordable for those of you who can't afford to buy like those high-end Huda Beauty Jeffree Star palettes. I do recommend taking a look at this cosmetic brand. I will have the link down below, and I will have my discount code down below. And yeah, with that being said, how about we just get right into this palette so you guys can see how it looks. So it does come with a mirror, as you guys can see, and these are the colors. Now this is a small brand that just started maybe a year ago, or maybe less. I could be wrong, guys, but this is one of their palettes. They had the Resurrection palette, but they discontinued that to make room for more palettes, because yo girl, she is coming out with palettes like she's on fire. But anyways, like, this is these are all like Mexican or Hispanic candy names that the palettes shades have. Like, this one is mazapan. I don't know if you guys know, like, there's a little candy that's white, and we call it mazapan. Or wait, no, I could be wrong. I'm wrong, guys. But this one is pelon, and it's like those pelones from the Mexican stores that you grab, and it has like tamarindo, and then like you push it and it's got like crazy little hairs coming out kind of thing. I don't know, it's hard to describe. And then like this yellow one is like oblea, and those are like the big, like, I don't know, I want to say they kind of look like tortillas, but when you put them in your mouth they kind of like melt in your mouth. And yeah, so Duvalin is, I don't know if you guys know what Duvalin is like that chocolate candy. It comes in a little box, or a little squared box, and it has half of strawberry and half chocolate, or it can have like vanilla, but that one is like Duvalin. I'm craving some candy now. But anyways, guys, like I do recommend checking them out. This is my favorite shade right here, Miguelito. Like guys, the pigment, look at that. There we go. And look at that. Guys, what do you think about my clear nails? I don't know, I kind of like them, but then I don't, just because you can see my nail. But I don't know, tell me what you think. But anyways, guys, yeah, like I was saying, this is just a bomb ass color. I can't wait to do like a look using this shade right here. I'm pretty excited, I don't know why. But yeah, this is a very beautiful palette. They also have glitters and lashes. Unfortunately, I haven't purchased any of their lashes yet, but I have purchased some of their glitters, and I will show you some of them. Sky. Here is Sky, guys. Now look at how pretty those are. And now this is the one that I use, Purple. And I mean, look at them. Look. They look amazing. And now, like, they look amazing on my eyes, too. So, and then they have Toasty. Now, this is their new logo. So, this one's more of it's got some smaller glitters and some big chunks. And now Sultry is this one, and this one is just little particle glitters. Now guys, I was thinking of maybe using one of these on my nails too, to create something different, but then I was like, oh, I kind of really enjoy these nails like this, you know, I'm gonna stick with it for a little bit. But yeah, you guys should really check out Midas Cosmetics, and this is the box that it comes in. It is cruelty free and it's recyclable, and it is 24 months that you can use it. But I mean, all my palettes say like they're 16 months or 14 months, you know, something like that, but they still work beyond that. So yeah, but with that being said, guys, here if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then make sure to keep on watching, and let's get to the video.
Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by using my Too Faced lip injection, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lips, and it's supposed to help my lips get fuller and plump up. So yeah, I like to do this every time, that way my lips look fuller. And we're going to start off by using La Dulce Vida palette by Midas Cosmetics. And I love this palette so much, guys. It is so beautiful and it's very inexpensive, so take a look. And this is from Coastal Senses. It was $1 a few years back, and I'm going to start off by using Glorias, and we are going to actually start off on the outer V of your eye, and use circular motions and windshield wipers, just going back and forth, and that will make you guys get that nice blend that you want. And so if you want to be more pigmented, you just pack on some color, so you just keep working it in until you get the shade that you want. But like I was saying, these brushes are like honestly almost like the Morphe M330. These two can be like almost the same brushes, except for this brush was $1 when it was like a New Year's sale from Coastal Scents. I got it for $1. They always have sales at the end of the year, you know, when you're going into New Year's Day, I guess, or New Year's Eve is when they have the sale. But yeah, I really love this brush. It's just like the Morphe. So yeah, I do recommend checking their website out as well. And this brush is also for coastal scents, and it is a more pointed brush at the end, and we're going to use Lucas, which is a darker purple, and we're just going to place it on the outer V and on our crease, and we're just applying it in small circular motions as well, and windshield wipers. And you guys can pack on the product as much as you want till you get to the pigmentation that you guys like. And because it's a like very pretty lilac purple, I'm gonna leave it like a really soft purple color, but I'm gonna go back in with a baby wipe or a makeup remover wipe, whatever, and just cut the crease. That way we get a nice clean surface to apply concealer. And the concealer that I am going to be using is the LA Pro Concealer, and this is the widest shade that they have, but I am just using the brush that it has just to kind of place my line kind of where I want it to be. And then I'm going to go back with a flat round brush from Wet n Wild just to make that line more sharp. And I'm going to be using Oblea, which is this pretty yellow, and we're not going to place it all over our eyelid. We're just going to like try and create a line. So we're going to be doing that, just doing small patting motions. And the only reason I'm doing patting motions is because that way I can get more pigmented out of my product. Guys, if you guys haven't heard of Midas Cosmetics, they are a very affordable brand that you guys should definitely check out. And you guys can use my code Tanya, which is capital TANIA, and get 20% off. And now we're actually going to go back in and just use the same wipe to wipe off the concealer. And yeah, I'm sorry if you guys hear kids in the background. It's my kids just being loud. So now we're just gonna apply concealer just so we can make that green shade more vibrant. And I am gonna go back in with the same brush just to get that nice cut line that we want. I will be using the same brush as well to apply Belon, which is a green color, and it's a lighter green from this palette. So we're just patting it on, that way we can get like that nice pigment on our eyelid. And now we're going back in and we're just blending out our outer V, blending those two colors together. And guys, this is a finished look. Unfortunately, I did not record myself placing the glitters. So yeah, I completely forgot, but the glitters are also from Midas Cosmetics. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone. Mwah.